Hello mga ka-tasty! Muli na naman po ako nagbabalik para sa mga pang-negosyo recipes. And for today's video, gagawa tayo ng chocolate ice cream. Kakailanganin natin ng cocoa powder at 2-in-1 creme densada. Tara na at umpisahan na natin.
Whisk and mixing bowl must be chilled before using. Put cream into the bowl and beat until almost doubled in volume.
Speed, low to medium.
Mixture should be like this, then add the cocoa powder.
Sift to prevent lumps.
Beat on high speed. Using a spatula, scrape the bottom off the bowl to make sure that it is well combined.
Beat again until well combined, don't overbeat.
Scoop a half cube off the mixture, or you can fill up to 3/4 of the ice cream cups. Did you know? The country that consumes the most ice cream is USA, followed by Australia then Norway. Also, based on my research, ice cream in America in the 1700s was rare and enjoyed by the elite. Clean the cups before putting the lids.
Yields 23 ice cream cups.
Put in the freezer overnight or until firm.
Wow! Want some?
Love trip. So, ayun na nga guys, ang ating chocolate ice cream gamit ang 2 ingredients lang. Sana po'y nagustuhan nyo ang ating recipe for today. At kung mayroon pa po kayong mga suggestions, i-comment nyo lang po sa baba. Have a nice day mga ka-tasty! Bye-bye!
So smooth. Oh!
Oops, sorry if I ate it all.